This is a short movie showing Image Pro Insight version 9 and how to capture images in movies. With the camera acquisition device installed, we will now set up the controls and white balance the camera for bright field imaging. From the camera control panel, we can set our exposure times, auto exposure, and white balance. And of course, we have camera controls based upon your specific acquisition device. Since I'm using reflected light microscopy, I will place a white target down and use that in the white balancing procedure. First, I'm going to press the live preview button, get an image in focus. I can set my exposure time by pressing auto exposure. And the thing to avoid is oversaturating your image, and so I can adjust the exposure. To white balance the camera, I'll place a white target down. Just my exposure time a little bit more. And now, by pressing the white balance button, we'll draw over your region that you'd like to use for white balancing. Here I'm going to use most of the image. And now my camera is white balanced. By removing the white target, you'll see the colors are now correct on my sample. From here, I can focus my image. Move my sample as required, and I can take my image. In this case, I'm going to set my exposure time just a little bit lower. And when I'm ready, all I need to do is press the capture button. To turn off the live preview, all I need to do is press the live button in either control. To look at your required image, simply select it from the ribbon or from the image strip. If you would like to take a movie, all you need to do is press the live button, go to the settings tab, and here we can set up our time-lapse experiment. In this case, I need to set the total duration. So if I want to do a 15-minute experiment, and if I want to take images, say every 30 seconds, you'll see the number of frames now reports out how many frames that experiment will last. In this case, it will be 91. Simply press the record button and you'll start taking your images.